Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here. They are in need of this particular iPhone that you see on the screen right here. And I decided to make a video about it and show you step by step on how we place order for this particular iPhone on Xianyu. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I exit from my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Then have you open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app. To make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I've already contacted the seller and chat for the price reduction. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my chat box right here. So here we go. This is my chat with the seller. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my chat with the seller. So you can see my conversation with the seller right here. So actually the phone price was at 1,299 yuan, and the seller offer a discount of 99 yuan off the price. And we have already discussed about everything, just like what you see right here. And instead of me to place order through this link and make payment of 1,299 yuan, I will go ahead and use this particular link right now and pay 1,200 yuan to purchase this particular iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pindodo, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, or Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed to make payment for this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So click on that. Now you can see the phone price here is going to be 1,200 yuan. I have already discussed the price with the seller. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. And I go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done, successful. Just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Now from my chart right here, you see that the payment has been done successful. So next thing I'm going to do here, just like what you see here, this is a proof that we have placed order for this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here, and you can see the seller has acknowledged the payment. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to send the proof of payment. So here is the proof of payment. I will send. So you can see seller response right here. So let's find out what the seller have to say. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this part. Having made a screenshot of this part, I'm going to exit from here. I'll make use of my Chrome browser. Then I'll go ahead and click on here. And I upload the screenshot and click on translate. So here we go. Okay, my friend. So they have acknowledged the payment. So let's go back to my Xianyu right here. And just like so. And then next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to tell the seller that they should send me the picture of the product before they ship out. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu. I'll come to my Google Translate. We say, please send me the phone picture before you ship out to my address. Thank you so much. just like so. And we'll go ahead and click on here to copy this Chinese character. And I'll go back to my Xianyu right here, click on here and paste this chart and send it to the seller right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go back, then click on here, then click on here to go to my profile. Then from my profile right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to see the phone we just ordered for. Click on here, just like so. So you can see the phone right here. So if I click on here now, you see details about the phone right here. So you can see the phone has been purchased, which is iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So you click on it, you can see sold out. Click on the product link again. So you can see the phone details right here. iPhone 13 Pro Max, the size is 512, 86, etc. So you can see, you can swipe this way and see the detail about the phone right here. So you can see much picture about the phone right here. So just like what you see right here. So this is the phone right here. So you can see the text certificate on Xianyu about the phone right here. So these are the information about the phone. So the phone was 2021. So these are all things you need to check as far as this particular Xianyu second-hand phone is concerned. Lastly, I'm going to exit from Xianyu right here. I will come back to my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the owner. So I'm going to click on gallery and then select the proof of payment right here and say payment made successful. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.